Hello from Sweden. Yes, that's right. I am obviously in Sweden where I live, and I have taken some of the flags with me today here on the beach, actually on this natural spot here in Älta Lake, as I was filming some shorts for my YouTube that will be coming up soon on my channel for Eurovision, obviously. And I just thought to start the video, the main part of the video today, with the Swedish flag. So yes, today will be my very first swim in Älta Lake this year. As I remember also last year I did only 2 or 3 swims in this lake out of the 215 beach days. Even though this is one of the closest lakes to my home, just 9 kilometers. It took me with my bicycle 24 minutes in a very moderate tempo for me, with my hybrid bike still, as I still didn't manage to change the tire on my gravel, as I am procrastinating and doing Eurovision videos instead. But maybe tomorrow it's going to be a bit of bad weather, so that will be perfect. Yes, Kris is exploring again, and this is my beach spot for today. And I have chosen this because I thought it would be less wind over here, but I was wrong. There is wind also here. The wind was my enemy in the previous 5 days, and whenever I went there was wind, even though it was warm weather. Even today 17 degrees warm, but it feels a lot colder with the wind. The sun is up most of the times. A bit of a dim here and there, but sunny, I would say it is. 17 degrees in the air, 15 in the lake, Ältasjön in Swedish. Yes, beach day number 19 today it is, and 27th of May. I'm all along here, you can see, as it is obviously Tuesday, and right now the time is 2:45 p.m. but nobody is going in for a dip now anyway. And close here there is a public beach, Stenso about it, which I assume it is also empty, but I think it is hidden in shadow right now, as it is quite strange placed, that beach. I have been there last year, and this is, I guess, Stenso Nature or something, but it's located in the Älta neighborhood south of Stockholm. South of Stockholm is the best part of Stockholm. I have been living previously in the north part of Stockholm and in the central. The central is nice, but it's too much people, not for me. The north part is a bit isolated and a bit far from the sea. Well, if you count Täby and Danderyd as sea, it's not that, there are not so many good beaches over there. So the south part of Stockholm is nice because there are so many beautiful lakes, as well as the sea coast is so close here in Nacka, Tyresö and Haninge. Even further down if you go to Nynäshamn as well, which is south of Stockholm. Anyway, let's go in for a swim, as I really am tired of the dancing of the videos that I'm filming. So I really want to relax now a bit with a nice swim. Oh, here we have a rock. Now I have gotten an idea to film also this rock later. It's gonna be nice, but here it's a bit tricky because the rocks are a bit not so flat. But yeah, it's nice. Let's then emerge to the water from this lake, this rock here, because why not, to be even closer to the, but it's a bit slippery over here, so my idea was not good. But let's then go this way. Oh, it's not slippery, it's just fine. Alright, this is my relaxation for today, and what a beautiful day it is, despite being a bit windy. Älta Lake, nature around, but I don't like the sound of the cars that are passing by, as this is, I think that's a motorway over there. Yeah, that is going towards Stockholm. Not so many cars right now, but it will be a lot after 4 p.m. I guess. All right, summer is coming. Only a few days left of May, so let's then have a nice dip here in Älta Lake in Stockholm. Let's go. Okay, there are rocks here. Let's go a bit further in. And it is 15 degrees in the lake, so I can stay a bit longer today in the water. There are also some houses nearby on the lake. Those are lucky people that can look at the lake from their living room and enjoy. I would really love to have a house or apartment with lake or sea view. So yeah, maybe soon. Maybe soon. Okay, these rocks here are slippery. But that is a wrap from this today beach adventure from Älta Lake. I will stay a bit longer and maybe do one more swim later before I take my bike back to my home, 9 kilometers away. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Älta, Stockholm, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.